Welcome to this explainer. We're going to upgrade your basic German sentences into incredibly fluent future plans. Ready?
See the difference? Connecting short ideas into one flowing sentence instantly makes you sound way more natural.
Take trotzdem, meaning nevertheless. It's basically your secret weapon for introducing an unexpected plot twist.
But here's the golden rule. The verb must immediately follow the connector. No exceptions.
Now, words for therefore show a result. And guess what? They follow that exact same strict rule. Just look at this. Think of the verb as permanently locked right after your connection word.
Lock this formula into your brain right now. Connector first, verb second. It's simple, but literally game-changing.
Wait, plot twist. For words like because or although, the verb jumps all the way to the end. Mastering these specific condition and contrast words rapidly expands your ability to express complex, really persuasive thoughts. So don't misplace that verb. You've got to mentally drag it to the absolute final spot in the sentence. Okay, let's apply these grammar tools to a real-world brain map outlining your personal future plans. First up, work and career. Mapping out goals like finding jobs or gaining experience is absolutely essential. See how linking those goals with a because instantly elevates you to an advanced speaking level?
Now for education. Passing your language exams requires daily dedication and crystal clear goal setting.
Notice how placing a therefore perfectly bridges your big goal with the daily hustle required to succeed. Moving on, your personal life goals, like starting a family, also need this exact same clear structure. Using an if or when right at the start beautifully sets up a conditional future promise. Want to reach full B1 fluency? Connect longer sentences and always support your opinions. It's crucial. This perfect model right here combines your future goal, the specific reason why, and the resulting action.
It works because it tells a complete mini story. You've got the target, the reasoning, and the outcome.
So challenge yourself. Did you lock the verb right after therefore and toss it to the end for because? You can actually transform these rules into pure habit with daily practice on the Falowen Learning Hub. They provide the ultimate foundation to build true language confidence for your studies, your career, and life. So grab a pen right now. If you had to define your ultimate future today, what's your first sentence?